Hello friends, in a previous section we may see how tuples are implemented in Python. So in this session we may discuss how dictionaries are implemented in Python. So dictionary is an unordered collection of items as it is similar to list, but the list element can be accessed using index, which must be an integer. So let us see how dictionaries are represented or such that it is implemented or updated, deleted, or what are the functions that may be used in a dictionary. So let us start with Spider IDE. Okay, here I have you an example program. So starting from initial line, so now I can say that in the first line I have like it is basically a dictionary which have representation of dictionary which have the name as John and age as 29, so salary as 25,000 and company as Google. So in the second line uh, we may check what is a type of dictionary that I had declared as employee. What is the type of that may string, integer, class, what is the type of employee. And in third line we will print the employee data that we had initiated here. So it is a static data that employee is a static data. So in the fifth line, as same as printing the employee data by calling individual, uh, it's approximately like array system by calling the value, but if you call the name, uh, please listen this carefully because this is somewhat difficult to understand. In dictionary this is somewhat difficult to understand. Some of the programmers may maybe miss this particular section. So if you call name from employee table with this percentage symbol, that will return, here is a name, that will return after this colon, and the name that we had actually entered is John. So using this name attribute or keyword, we can assess the actual name that we had inserted inside the dictionary. So this is going to happen here till the line 9. After that we are going to do something different, that we are taking input as a, it is a dynamic dictionary. So we will take input from the user and we will print finally the employee detail. So let us run this program or execute this program. Yes, as I told you, in the second line, type of employee is displayed as class dictionary. So class dictionary means it is a class where it is represented as a class of dictionary. And in third line, print the employee data, as same as we know that already we had inserted a certain values in the dictionary that got printed, and print the employee data. Printing the employee data, yes, it's the important thing, that we can call the dictionary using its key value or a user understandable representation as name, age, salary, company. These are user understandable representation. And after the column we have some certain values, that John is the name, age is 29, and salary is 25,000, and company is Google. These are called necessary data that we need to store inside the dictionary. So in the next section, enter the detail of new employee. So we need to give the detail. So I'm giving my name as Vishnu and I have an age. I'm just giving some age, that is 20, and my current salary I am studying, but for example I'm giving 40,000 company. Okay, if we click enter, the personal information that we had stored in dictionary will be printed successfully. So this is a simple example and simple concept of dictionary that we can easily to be understand. So I hope you all understand what is dictionary. Thank you, friends. We will see in next video with a new topic.